Introducing the Explainer Bundle for Davinci Resolve, your ultimate toolkit for creating stunning explainer videos with ease. With over 500+ unique titles spread across 8 diverse packs, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're creating corporate presentations, educational content, or eye-catching social media posts, this pack has you covered. Each title is expertly designed to give your projects a polished, professional look that grabs attention. Fully customizable and works seamlessly with any resolution, aspect ratio, and frame rate. Best of all, it's incredibly easy to use. Simply drag and drop from the effect library and watch your edits come to life. Imagine adding sleek, professional visuals to your projects in minutes. With smooth animations and stunning designs, the Explainer Bundle ensures your videos stand out and leave a lasting impression. Don't settle for ordinary. Elevate your content with the Explainer Bundle today. Available now at videoeditorstudio.com.